Live update from Kathmandu, Nepal. So according to our YouTube channel, we are still in Egypt and we just had 3 amazing days out in the Western Desert. Hopefully you just watched that video. If not, highly recommend you go check it out.
Fast forward from the Western Desert, we then sailed down the Nile on a felucca for 3 nights, spent a couple days exploring the ancient tombs and temples in Luxor, and finally we ended our time in Egypt on the Sinai Peninsula where we went diving in the Red Sea.
From there, we spent 2 weeks in Jordan and then just had a quick layover in Dubai while we worked out our visa for Nepal. So all of that being said, we have some really great stuff coming your way soon.
And that brings us to today here in Nepal. We are so excited to be here. Nepal has been on the top of our bucket list for years now. We actually had flights booked here from the Philippines last year in March when we instead got forced home because of the lockdowns. Once we started traveling internationally again, we both said that as soon as Nepal opened, as long as it was a good time of year, we would literally drop everything and just go for it.
So here we are in Kathmandu, and tomorrow we are starting the 3 passes trek in the Himalayas, and we wanted to give you the heads up that we are going to be completely off the grid for the next 3 weeks. Not that we're super consistent with our video posting to begin with, sorry about that, but we won't have another video posting until after we are done with our trek in early May. Alright, well that's all we have for now. Wish us luck. On one hand, we just hiked Mount Kilimanjaro 2 short months ago. But on the other hand, we have eaten a lot of delicious Middle Eastern food since then. So here goes nothing.
If everything goes as planned, you should see a video of us sailing down the Nile at some point in early May.